travers le monde. Un voyage de savoir et d'impact profond. Issue d'une terre de sagesse et de lumière, pionnière des STEM, visionnaire et fière, Rania ouvre le chemin, transformant les idées en action pour demain. Chercheuse et mentor engagée, elle inspire la jeunesse à rêver et créer. Formatrice antique à portée internationale, bâtissant un avenir solide et durable. Conférence à travers le monde entier, portant la vision des United Nations et des jours dédiés engagés. Fondatrice de projets collaboratifs, unissant les talents créatifs, ambassadrice de paix et d'humanité, au service du progrès de l'équité. Depuis l'Inde, avec estime et fierté, nous saluons ton parcours inspiré et du terme en smart class élève la voix, célébrant ton engagement et ton choix. Docteur, Madvi exprime sa gratitude, honorant ta vision et ton attitude. De la Grèce à l'Inde, main dans la main, SPM éclaire le chemin. Hommage signé avec respect et dignité par Docteur Avi pour l'excellence en éducation. Conférence à travers le monde entier, portant la vision des United Nations et des audicules engagés. Fondatrice de projets collaboratifs, unissant les talents créatifs, ambassadrice de paix et d'humanité, au service du progrès de l'équité. À travers le monde entier, portant la vision des United Nations et des audicules engagés. Fondatrice de projets collaboratifs, unissant les talents créatifs, ambassadrice de paix et d'humanité, au service du progrès de l'équité.
Today we have uploaded this French song also.
Being the
Rania, earlier we have uploaded English one, and today we have got French also. So my dear Shining Stars, go through this video, okay, and kindly keep practicing it because I really want we all should sing, okay. Before Rania ma'am will love to listen from all of you, isn't it, ma'am? So,
Yes.
so everybody should practice this song, and you all should know this very well. Yes, Deepti ma'am, over to you.
Being the global operation coordinator of this esteemed institute, it's my distinct honor and privilege to warmly welcome our respected Rania ma'am. We are always deeply grateful for the beautiful dedication, passion, and excellence with which you teach our ESC stars. With your commitment as our ESC Global Educator truly inspired both our students and our entire academic community. We feel incredibly fortunate to have your guidance, wisdom, and global perspective shaping our learners. Without wasting a single minute and with great excitement and admiration, I would now like to hand over the mic to you. The next 1 hour is entirely yours. A very warm welcome to you, ma'am.
Merci beaucoup, Dr. Dipti. Mes chers élèves, bonjour à tous et à toutes et bienvenue à notre cours de français. Je suis très heureuse de vous retrouver aujourd'hui pour commencer une nouvelle leçon passionnante. Et dans cette leçon, nous allons apprendre un nouveau dialogue pour améliorer votre compréhension et expression orale. Nous allons lire, écouter, pratiquer ensemble. Ensuite, nous allons voir comment on forme les questions en français avec l'intonation, avec est-ce que, avec l'inversion du sujet et des verbes. Et si nous avons du temps, nous allons étudier aussi le féminin des adjectifs. Alors, préparez-vous. Bon, on commence. Vous êtes prêts? Are you ready? Vous êtes prêts?
Alonzi.
Vous êtes prêts? Means ready. When I ask, vous êtes prêts? Alors, nous avons un nouveau dialogue aujourd'hui. À la gare. Sorry, it's not here. Here. Can you see first my screen?
Oui, madame.
Oui,
Mm,
madame.
it's moving also, I guess. Alors, à la gare, à la train station, supposons que vous êtes à Paris, à la gare, et vous voulez voyager. Comment vous allez communiquer euh, avec les Français? Euh, alors, commençons. Simran, are you here? Okay, Simran. Do you want me to start? Okay, I will start on my own and after I will ask you to play the scene. Alors, le voyageur. Bonjour madame, bonjour monsieur. Je voudrais un billet pour Paris, s'il vous plaît. Aller simple ou aller-retour? Aller-retour, s'il vous plaît. Pour aujourd'hui? Oui, pour aujourd'hui. Le train part à 10 heures. À quelle heure arrive le train? Il arrive à 12 heures. Combien coûte le billet? Le billet coûte 25 euros. Merci beaucoup. Bon voyage. C'est un dialogue très simple. So maybe tomorrow we can enrich this dialogue, but this dialogue is very simple. Just some expressions that you need to know. Combien ça coûte? We want to see it. How much that ticket cost? Very, very important expression, useful expressions. Alors, commençons. Isran et Simran.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Monsieur, monsieur,
Monsieur.
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 Je voudrais un billet pour Paris, s'il vous plaît.
Aller simple ou aller retour?
Aller-retour, s'il vous plaît.
Pour aujourd'hui,
Euh, oui, pour aujourd'hui.
le train part 10 heures.
Ah, wait a minute. Le train part à 10
Pas
heures. 10, and after we have vowel, so we use liaison, so part à 10 heures. À 10
à,
heures.
à 10 heures.
À quelle heure arrive le train?
Arrive. À quelle heure arrive le train?
À quelle heure arrive le train?
Il arrive à 12 heures.
12 heures. 12 heures.
12 heures. What's the pronunciation
R,
of
R is heure. 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 E-U, prononce E. Heure. Feu. Pneu.
no.
Heure. Heure.
Euh,
Hmm.
euh, combien coûte le billet?
Le bill coûte
Billet, billet. Le billet. Le billet.
le billet coûte 15 euros.
25, 25, 25. Do you remember the numbers?
Yeah, yeah,
Everybody,
yeah.
you have to
Vingt-
revise the numbers, so everybody, eh? 25 euros.
25 euros.
Euro. It's the same. E-U-E. Euro.
Euros.
Merci beaucoup.
Bon voyage.
Bon voyage. Bon voyage.
Bon voyage.
Voyage. Voyager, I'm traveling. Merci. Kritika. Will you play with who else here? Mohit.
Yeah. Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, bonjour, monsieur.
Je voudrais un bill pour Paris, s'il vous plaît.
Billet, billet, billet.
Billet.
Simple ou aller, aller,
Aller-retour, aller simple ou aller-retour?
aller retour.
Alerito, s'il vous plaît.
pour aujourd'hui.
Oui, pour aujourd'hui.
Les, les traits pa- euh,
Par,
les parcs this euro.
A, the preposition a. When we
A
say what time we're doing something, I wake up, I eat everything. 10 heures. Le train part à 10 heures. 10 heures.
les trains partent à 10 heures.
10 heures. Mhm.
10 heures.
À quelle heure arrive la train?
First group, arrive. First group, like parle. À
Arrive,
quelle heure
arrive,
arrive
arrive la
le
train.
train? Le train.
Le train. Le train.
Il arrive 12. Il
Ah,
à
12 heures. 12 heures.
à 12
Heure. Yes, I know it's difficult. We say it so many times today, you will learn. Everybody. Heure. When you see EU, heure.
Ok, ok.
Your.
Heure.
uh,
Mm, Yes. Euh,
Combien coûtait la bill?
coûte. First group.
Coûte.
Coûte, parle.
Combien coûte la bill?
Le billet. Le billet.
Le billet. Combien coûte la bill? Le billet.
les billets coûtent 25
Le
euros.
billet. Euro, it's the same. EU,
Euro.
like
Euro.
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 Mm.
Merci beaucoup.
Bon, what's the pronunciation of VOY?
Bon voyage. Bon voyage.
Bon voyage. Bon voyage.
Have a good trip. Good trip. Bon voyage. Bon voyage.
Bon voyage.
Bon voyage.
Voyager
Bon
means
voyage.
traveling. These are very useful expressions. If you go in another country, these are very, very useful expressions. Especially το combien ça coûte, combien coûte, bon voyage, je voudrais, aller semble retour. Very useful expressions. If you travel in France or in any francophone region. Ok. Merci beaucoup. Non. Kevin with Deep Deep.
Bonjour, madame.
Deep.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Monsieur.
Merci.
Monsieur. Monsieur.
Je voudrais un billet pour Paris, s'il vous plaît.
Billet. 12. Usually we pronounce like billet.
Billet.
Not billet. Billet.
Billet.
Billet.
Billet pour Paris, s'il vous plaît. Tell me again.
Je voudrais un billet pour Paris, s'il vous plaît.
Mhm.
Aller simple ou aller retour.
Simple. Simple.
Simple.
Aller-retour, s'il vous plaît.
Pour aujourd'hui.
Pour
Oui,
aujourd'hui.
Pour aujourd'hui.
oui, pour aujourd'hui.
Les trains
Train.
park
Le
à
train. Mhm.
le train. Le train park à this hour.
At 10 heures. 10 heures. This, but since we have vowel, we will hear Z. At 10 heures.
At this hour.
If we say this is the number, it's 10. But after we have
Yes.
vowels, so we have to do la liaison. So à 10 heures,
10 ans.
des heures.
10 ans.
10 heures. No? Everybody here.
10 ans. Right?
Yes, until the end of the lesson, I think you will be familiarized with this word, everybody.
À quelle heure arrive le train?
À quelle heure arrive, first group, le
All right.
train? Tell me again. Arrive, it's like parler. No, it's not, it's first group. Okay, so try again. À quelle heure
À quelle heure
arrive,
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 arrive le train?
le train,
Bon.
train,
Train,
le train.
le train.
I'll try. This is
Arrive.
Il
12,
arrive,
we can say
il arrive à 12 heures, à 12 heures.
elle arrive à 12 heures. À 12
Oui,
heures.
très bien, très bien. It's 12, but after vowel, 12 heures. Après,
Combien coûte le billet?
combien coûte le billet? Billet.
Billet.
Les billes coûter. Sorry.
Le
It's
billet
25.
coûte 25. 25.
25.
Awesome.
25 euro.
Mais, merci beaucoup.
Euro.
Euro.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci. Okay. Bon voyage.
Très bien, bon voyage. I want to ask you the
I
number.
have one question.
Yes, bien sûr.
So here it's it's behead, like BILLED.
Yeah,
So it's
yes.
pronounced. So there are words that come after I with like double L in it.
Yes,
The L
one
is silent, like travailler, and I think there's one more.
Oh, it was difficult, different word. Travailler is another thing. This was A-E-L. Here we have two L, double L. Double L is pronounced
Yeah.
usually I, like fille, daughter, la fille,
Fear.
le billet.
Like in when we pronounce family, it's famille. Like the spelling is F-I-M.
Exactly. Famille, fille, billet. There are some exceptions,
Okay.
but the general rule is this one. La règle générale, c'est ça. C'est ça, billet. About the numbers, have you learned the numbers until what? Have you learned the numbers? Do you know the numbers?
Yeah.
Yeah, we learned. Yeah,
All
we
the
learned.
numbers.
All the numbers, everything.
Yeah.
Millions, everything. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am. Madhavi ma'am
have
teaches,
to
but
revise
still
because
I'm not know.
in next lessons we will see about the time, how we will ask the time, how we'll give the time. So just revise a little bit the numbers because we will use it for the time. So Ritu with Mohit. Mohit again because don't have number.
Yeah. Bonjour, madame.
Ritu start. Okay.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Je voudrais un billet pour Paris, s'il vous plaît.
Elle est simple ou elle est plutôt
Elle est simple, hein, simple. IMM, simple.
Elle est
Ale
simple.
retok sil. Ale retok. Okay. Yeah. Ale
Aujourd'hui,
retok. Ale retok, s'il vous plaît. Okay. For we who aujourd'hui
lettre pas à 2 heures,
À 10 heures.
à 10
À
heures,
10 heures. Hmm.
à quelle heure arrive l'écran
Arrive, arrive le train.
arrive l'écran
elle arrive 12 heures,
À 12 heures. À 12
à
heures.
12 heures.
combien coûte l'avion
Coûte. Combien coûte le
coûte
billet?
combien coûte le billet
Les billets coûtent
Yeah.
27 euros.
25 euros. Euros.
27 euros.
Merci beaucoup.
Bon voyage. Ouais.
Voyage. Bon voyage.
Voyage.
Voyage. Oh, merci beaucoup. Maintenant, who will read the new vocabulary? Ishan, do you want to read?
Euh, la, la gare, la gare, la voyageur, la
Voyageur.
voyageur,
Wait a minute.
voyageur,
Voyageur. Voyageur.
voyageur,
It's the
voyageur,
masculine and the feminine voyageuse.
voyageur, l'employé, l'employé,
L'employé.
l'employé, l'employé, un billet, aller simple,
Elle est
aller
simple.
retour,
Elle est
aller
simple.
simple,
Simple.
aller retour, le train, un voyage, bon voyage.
Mhm,
Oh oui.
merci. Mhm. Miss Simran, can you try?
Yeah. Le gare,
La
train
gare,
station.
la gare, la gare.
Le gare, le voyage,
Le voyageur, le
le,
voyageur.
it's a difficult one. L'employé,
L'employé, here you see, we have an accent aigu, so we need to pronounce it. L'employé.
l'employé, un billet, aller simple, aller retour, le train, un voyage, bon voyage.
Mhm, très bien. Here you will see when we learn the feminative subjective, heure becomes heuse. So masculine and feminine. Voyageur, the feminine
Voyage.
becomes voyageuse. Okay. Who else wants to try? Kevin, do you want to try?
Oui, madame. La gare,
La gare, la gare.
la gare, les voyages,
Voyageur,
voyageurs, la voyageur,
voyageuse. Heure, voyageuse, becomes
voyageuse,
voyageuse. Hmm.
voyageuse, la employé,
L'employé, employé, l'employé.
l'employé, l'employé, un billet,
Billet, billet.
billet, aller simple,
Mhm,
aller retour,
mhm,
le train, en voyage, bon voyage.
mhm. Merci. Critica,
Le car, le, vo- le voy-
voyageur,
voyageur, le
Voyageuse.
voyageuse, l'employé,
L'employé.
l'employé, un billet,
Billet. Billet. Tu, elle, prononce billet. Billet.
un billet, aller simple, aller retour, les lettres, un voyage, bon
Voyage. Voyage.
voyage, bon voyage.
Mhm. Mhm. Merci. Dipti.
La gare, le voyage, le voyage,
Voyageur. It's the traveler. Le voyageur.
le voyageur, l'employé,
L'employé.
l'employeur, un billet,
Un billet. Billet.
billet, al simple, al ritu, alla trea,
Train.
tra, un voyage, bon, bon voyage,
Bon voyage. Bon voyage.
bon
Ritu.
voyage.
Merci.
La gare, les voyageurs, la voyageuse,
Le
les
voyageur. Voyageuse. Mhm.
les voyageurs, les voyageuses, l'employeur, un
L'employé.
billet,
L'employé.
l'employé, un billet, al simple, al retour, les trains, un voyage, bon voyage.
Mhm. That's the first one. Un billet. Billet. Aller simple. Aller-retour. Billet. Tell me
Un
again. Billet.
billet, un
Billet.
billet, al
Simple. Simple. Aller simple.
simple,
Mhm. Aller-retour. Nou,
al
is gaan.
À quelle heure? Quelle heure? Euh,
À quelle heure? À quelle
à,
heure?
que- à quelle heure? À 10 heures. Aujourd'hui, partir, partir, arriver. Je voudrais, s'il vous plaît, combien coûte, combien ça coûte?
Okay, here, if you want, you don't want to use the subject. Here it says combien coûte le billet in the dialogue, or combien coûte le livre, combien coûte la maison. Immediately, you can say combien ça coûte.
Combien ça
It means how much this costs.
coûte?
Ça means
How much
ça means this thing. So immediately, when you don't want to use the subject, very easily you can say combien ça coûte. So what you
combien
need
ça
to learn here today is combien ça coûte, because you will use it everywhere in order to pay
Ma'am,
some.
can we interchange like ça coûte combien? Like that?
Yes. Today we have,
Yes, of course.
today we will learn poser des questions. Today we will learn how to have the time. It's for today, but I don't know if we have the time. Yes, we will learn all yes, ça coûte combien? Et combien est-ce que ça coûte? All these types are correct. Mhm. Mohit?
Yeah. Quel this ajudvi parti arrivé je voudrais s'il vous plaît combien coûte combien ça coûte.
Mhm. Okay, this is simple. So you have to learn this new vocabulary. Vous pratiquez la gare, this dialogue. No, before. Okay, here we have the verb partir, new verb, irregular, thread group. So I will learn the conjugation. Je pars, tu pars, il part. Nous partons, vous partons, ils partent. Okay, but it is a third group, irregular. Dipti, do you want to read?
Je pars, tu pars, il part, elle part, on parle, nous partons, vous partez, ils partent, elles partent.
Très bien, très bien. It's simple, okay? It's very simple. It's regular. You have to learn this. So let's go here. Posez des questions. When we have to form a question, the first very simple way is to just simply raise our voice at the end. Tu manges une pomme? Tu manges une pomme? This is very common spoken in French. Okay, tu manges une pomme. But for more formal expressions, and what I was using when I was learning French, it was convenient for me to add esque. So since the beginning, when I learned French, I like to use esque. It's more formal. Est-ce que tu aimes le chocolat? Instead of saying simply tu aimes le chocolat, est-ce que tu aimes le chocolat? Est-ce que nous allons au cinéma? Okay, is it clear? The first way, it's very simple, just to add at the end, just to show the intonation. And the second one, you add the esque. Esque doesn't mean nothing, it doesn't mean something, but we use it just to form the question. It helps us to form the question. It doesn't have any meaning on its own. Third way, what we call inversion. So we try to invert here subject and verb. Can you see here? Aimes-tu le chocolat? What is happening here? We use first the verb and after the subject. This is called inversion. Aimes-tu le chocolat? Allons-nous au cinéma? And the exception, which is we're going to see here when we're going to learn the simple past. If the verb ends in a vowel and the subject pronoun begins with a vowel, then we need to add a T for pronunciation. A-t-il fini? Because we can't say a-il fini. A-t-il fini? We will add a T, but this is for more advanced cases we will see later. So the third way is to make the inversion. Inversion. Aimes-tu? Allons-nous? And I don't know if you have heard before, when we say we will arrive at the airport at 7 o'clock, right? You know this expression, right? We say at the end. The French people say n'est-ce pas? I'm sure that you have heard this. N'est-ce pas? Tu viens ce soir, n'est-ce pas? Right? N'est-ce pas? Have you heard this in any film or it's very, very common.
Oui,
French people
madame,
use
oui.
it. N'est-ce pas? Il fait chaud. Hein? N'est-ce pas? You have heard this.
In a few movies.
In a few movies, yes. It's very, very common. They use it, right? But like English people use it very common, and only, right? French people use n'est-ce pas? Let's start. I want you to use the three types for each phrase. The first one using intonation, the second one using esque, and the third type you're doing the inversion. For each sentence, I want you to use the three types. Ishan, you can start.
Tu aimes le chocolat? Est-ce que tu aimes le chocolat?
Est-ce que, and after you will use a subject. Est-ce que tu aimes le chocolat?
Est-ce que tu aimes le chocolat? Third one.
then it's the inversion, the inversion. First you use a verb and after, but you used to use tiret.
Tu aimes,
And
tu,
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 hmm,
tu aimes le chocolat, n'est-ce pas?
mhm, aimes-tu le chocolat? Aimes-tu?
Aimes-tu aimes-tu le chocolat, n'est-ce pas?
Mhm. Merci. Um, now, Simran,
Allons-nous au cinéma ce soir? It's one. Est-ce que
allons-nous,
nous...
hein? Allons-nous au cinéma ce soir? What did you say?
I said the same.
Ah, okay. Mhm.
Other one is est-ce nous allons au cinéma
Est-ce, est-ce que nous allons,
est-ce que nous allons au cinéma ce soir?
Mhm.
And the third one is
It's simple, just intonation. Nous allons au cinéma ce soir. Mhm.
can you say that again?
We just use, it's just intonation.
Okay.
The first.
Okay.
The point d'interrogation. Point d'interrogation. You just use a point d'interrogation at the end.
Okay.
It's very simple. But I told you that I prefer ESC because it's more formal. So it's better to learn this one and use it in formal dialogues. Okay. So merci. Next, Mohit. I have here, I explained that when we have vowel, see we hear apostrophe. Est-ce qu'elle parle? Because we have vowels, we can't have two vowels in French language, so that's why we have apostrophe. Mohit, the first type.
वो बोले कैफे
Elle parle anglais. The first one. This is
okay. Elle parle anglais.
elle parle
est-
anglais. The first one is to use un point
Elle
d'interrogation.
parle.
Elle parle anglais.
Hmm.
Second
It's
type. Est-ce
est-ce
qu'elle parle
qu'elle
anglais?
parle anglais?
Est-ce qu'elle parle
Est-ce
anglais?
qu'elle
The third type.
qu'elle parle anglais?
The third type, what you will do?
What
You will
is
use the verb first, then you see here a hyphen. Hyphen, we call it tiret en français. We're obliged to use it when we're doing the
ठीक
inversion.
है?
We have to use a hyphen. So,
Okay.
normally,
Allez, quel?
normally we would say parle elle.
Yeah.
Vert, parle elle, but what I said here
Pa,
is an exception that when we have two vowels, we need to add here a T. Parle-t-elle? It's an exception. Parle-t-elle anglais?
parle anglais.
Anglais. Okay, this is an
The,
exception. Okay,
the
so
the last one I didn't get it, ma'am. Can you please repeat this one? The second we
yes.
made.
Normally, the correct way is to say parle, then we will use hyphen elle.
Yeah.
But in
Yeah.
French language, we can never use two vowels at the same time. So we are obliged to do
Yeah.
what? To add here, you can see the tip at the end. I say that if the verb ends in a
Okay.
vowel and the subject pronoun begins with a vowel, we need to add a T
Until
between
atte.
hyphens. So, a-t-il fini il suo travail? So, part-elle?
Yeah. Partel. Yeah. And this
Parle-elle anglais?
partel anglais.
Next, Kritika. Vous voulez un café?
A. So
Okay, the first type. Vous voulez un café? We use just the point d'interrogation. The first one is this one, with point d'interrogation. Okay, critica. The first type is this. The second way is to use est-ce. So what? How will we say it?
Est-ce qu'elle
Est-ce que vous voulez un café? Est-ce que vous voulez un café? Tell me again. You will use est-ce que, and after the same. We don't change anything in the sentence. We just add est-ce que, nothing else. So tell me, est-ce que vous voulez un café?
est-ce que
Vous voulez
vous voulez
un café?
est-ce que vous voulez un café?
Très bien, est-ce que vous voulez? So we just add est-ce que. And the third way is l'inversion. You will use first the verb and after the subject. How will you say it? How will you do it?
Est-ce que vous voulez un café?
The third way, tell me now. You see here, nous allons becomes allons-nous. So how will we do it? First the verb and after the subject. Voulez-vous un café? And the third way, tell me, you understand what I'm saying? Voulez-vous, and we will use a hyphen.
Third one is little bit difficult to understand. Third one is
Yes, okay. Okay. The first way is simple. You
simple.
just add
Yes, ma'am.
point d'interrogation. We understand the first way.
Yes, ma'am. First way is
We
simple.
understand the first way. It's very simple. We just add the point d'interrogation. The second one is just to add est-ce, nothing else. Est-ce before the subject.
Yes, ma'am. Second one is
Nothing
simple.
changes after in the sentence. We just add est-ce in the beginning. Est-ce que vous voulez un café? The third
Yes,
way,
ma'am.
which yes, it's a little bit difficult. The third way is to invert verb with subject. So we will say voulez-vous un café? First, you will say critica the verb voulez and after the subject, and you will use the hyphen between them, un tiret. Voulez-vous un café? This is the third way, which is formal also. Like we say here, nous allons becomes allons-nous, or tu aimes le chocolat becomes aimes-tu. This becomes voulez-vous. Okay. We'll practice it many times, so you will not just the
Yes, ma'am. We will practice it then.
Dipti, the next one.
Yes, ma'am. Marie Damon. Is it right pronunciation?
Marie vient demain. Yes, and tu vas utiliser un point d'interrogation à la fin.
Yes, ma'am. Marie Damon. Est-ce que Marie Damon?
Exactement. Est-ce que Marie vient demain?
Est-ce que Marie Damon? And in last one we can say where Marie Damon.
Yes, vient-elle demain? Okay, this is an exception. Don't want to give you more. Okay, I want to confuse you. Leave this one, and the second one, leave it because it's difficult. We will do it next time. So we go to on part en vacances, dipti, on part en vacances. It's better because the previous ones are exceptions. On part en vacances.
Which one?
On part en vacances.
Okay, on part and vacances. Or we can say this part on. I don't know. In third way,
Partons en vacances. Partons, and we will use the hyphen.
Partons vacances.
En vacances.
And vacances. Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Or est-ce qu'on parle the other way? Est-ce qu'on parle, we have vowel, so we use est apostrophe. Est-ce qu'on part en vacances?
Est-ce qu'on part en vacances?
Mhm.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Okay, and the last one, Paul and Sophie, it's difficult. We will do it another time. Tu peux m'aider, the last one. Mohit.
SK to pay Made, and
Mhm.
third one is to pay. I did
Inversion. First verb and after the subject.
inverse.
So, peux-tu?
The
Peux-tu?
pay to Made, pay to
Peux-tu
Made,
m'aider?
yeah.
Peux-tu m'aider?
Pay to
So,
Made, pay to Made.
okay, today you have to learn this one, and next time we will focus on the exceptions. But for today, we need to learn these three ways. Ritu, can you tell me again that the first one? Tu aimes le chocolat?
Tu mets le chocolat.
Tu,
Est-ce tu aimes le chocolat?
tu aimes le chocolat? The first is to use the point d'interrogation. Tu aimes le chocolat?
Tu aimes le chocolat?
Aime. Tu aimes le chocolat? The second way. The second way, Ritu, you just add the esque, nothing else. So,
May I?
Est-ce que tu aimes le chocolat?
est-ce que tu aimes le chocolat? Mhm. And the third way, you use the verb first and after the subject. So, you invert. How will we say it?
Aimes-tu le
Mhm.
chocolat?
Aimes-tu le chocolat? Okay, so
Aimes-tu
aimes-tu.
le chocolat?
Kevin, you have a try.
Yeah. Nous
Uh,
allons au, ci-
nous allons.
Nous allons.
Nous allons.
nous allons au cinéma Sillon
Ce soir. Ce soir.
ce soir.
Okay. The
Est-ce,
first one. Mhm.
yeah. Est-ce que Calais, nous allons,
Est-ce que nous allons? Est-ce que nous allons?
est-ce que nous allons au cinéma
Ce soir. Mhm.
ce soir?
And the third way,
Third way is
May I try?
first verb and after the subject. Allons-nous.
Allons-nous.
Allons-nous. And then you will put
allons-nous
au cinéma.
au
Au
cinéma.
cinéma ce soir.
au cinéma ce soir?
Mhm.
Allons-nous.
So
Yes,
is it
now
clear,
I got
the three ways? Is it clear? Ishan, you had asked me in the beginning. Is it clear which
Yes,
ways
oui,
we
madame.
have? But
Oui,
we
Oui,
have
madame.
madame.
some exceptions. For example, simple past is jo anste. We have the exception that we're going to explain tomorrow better. We will say until aste, because we have vowels, so we will add te here. Until aste, the first one. Or when we have here, Marie, viantella. Okay, so forget these exceptions at the moment. Just remember these three ways, okay? And you have
Okay,
to use it in your everyday conversations. For me, it's better to use ESC. It was better if it was formal. For example, with when we want to discuss with the examiner, of course, we will use ESC or the last one with where we invert. But ESC, I think it's better. It's much easier.
that's good.
So remember okay, for about yesterday we practiced all the possessive adjectives. Do you remember everything? Μότο σώματα σαν, μετεσέ, one owner, many objects, μετεσέ, many owners, one object, not votre l'air, many owners, many objects, no voler. So the first, critical.
Je, je
Cherche, je cherche.
cherche au billet.
Mon billet. It's masculine. I search. Je cherche mon billet.
Je cherche mon billet.
Mon billet. The second is Han.
Tu prends ta valise?
Ta
Uh,
valise, because it's
ta
la
valise.
valise. So tu prends ta valise. Simran,
Il aime, il aime son travail.
il aime son travail parce que le travail c'est masculin. Il aime son travail. Mohit, next.
It's il cherche ça, c'est
Ça. It's la clé.
ça.
Sa clé.
Yeah,
We can
sa
use
clé.
say because we don't have S here. It's not plural, it's singular.
Yeah,
So, elle cherche sa
awesome.
clé.
Sa clé, sa clé. With that, sa clé.
Okay, next.
Wrong.
50.
Nous, regardons, we can use here as, as
Many
match.
owners. We are many people, many owners, but we have one train. Which category?
News is for many.
No voler is when we are many, we have many objects. Here we are many owners, we have only one object. So which
Okay.
category? No trouve votre l'air.
NOTRE.
No trouve votre l'air. You see here the third category. Here, no trouve votre l'air. You
Yes,
see?
no, NOTRE, not train.
Not
Not
true.
Not true.
You
Yes,
understand? We are very many owners, one object. So
Yes,
not
ma'am.
true. Mhm.
True.
Next,
Yeah.
Kevin.
For one of we can use not true. For many, we can use nose and well.
Yes,
For
if we
many.
had many trains, we will say
Yes.
no, not ham. Not ham. Okay. Kevin,
Vous préparez,
vous préparez, vous préparez.
vous préparez, vous, vous préparez, vous, vous
Vos bagages,
bagages,
vos bagages. Vous préparez
vos
vos
bagages,
bagages.
vos bagages.
Vos bagages. Many people, many owners, many objects. Vos bagages. Ritu. Ils
Ils
attendent.
attendent
Means they're waiting. Their friends. Here we have S, plural. So many people, many objects. Many owners, many objects.
ils attendent notre ami.
They are waiting. They are waiting. Their friends. So we go first, which category? We are many, we have many. No voler, the last, you see the table here, the last category. No vo or l'air with S.
Ils attendent le ami.
Okay, yes, we have S after vowel, leurs amis. So, ils attendent leurs amis. Le with S, but after we have vowel, so we're doing liaison. Next, Kevin. Yes, Kevin.
Je parlais à, je parlais à, je parlais à mes parents,
À mes parents. Je parle à mes parents.
mes parents.
Next, Kritika.
Elle téléphone à vous.
We have one person, one object. So which category?
Votre
Wait a minute. Did you see the table? You see the table?
Oui, madame.
Huh? Okay. The first category, monton sono, matasa. Here, in this, when we will use monton sono, matasa, when we have one owner and one object. J'ai un livre. C'est mon livre. C'est mon livre. Here we have one owner, one object. Monton sono it's for singular, matasa for feminine. Then, metese, when we have one owner, many objects. Mes livres, ce sont mes livres. I am one owner and I have many objects. Mes livres. Metese. Then, notre votre leg, when we use notre votre leg, when we are many owners and we have one object. C'est notre école. C'est notre maison. Voilà notre maison. Many owners, one object. And the last one, many owners, many objects. Voilà.
Ma'am, so easy. Ma'am, it's so easy. Wow, your picturization is understandable. Wow, ma'am, it's so easy. In this picture, it
Yes,
is
but
so much
yes,
visible.
but
Yes, ma'am.
Kritika was not here when we. I remember she was not. She was absent. This that's why it's strange
But
for
in
her because she
picturization,
was
it is
absent.
visible. In picturization, it is visible. One owner, one thing, and one owner, many things, and two owner, one thing. It's so easy.
Kritika, is it clear
Oui, madame.
now?
Elle téléphone
One owner, one object. So
Yeah.
which category?
son
Très bien. À son frère. Très bien. You understand now, what is happening?
elle
Yes.
téléphone
Okay. So you will tell me the next one also. Tell me the next one.
nos amis,
Nous aimons, nous aimons,
nous aimons,
Nous avons
nous aimons
many owners, one object here.
l'école,
Yes, what do you say?
l'école,
See here the categories. Which category of the table? Many owners, one object.
Leon,
Third one, yellow one.
Kritika?
not
Notre, votre, leur. So you can write down, if you want, your notebook, you can write down one owner, one object, many owners, write down, many owners, one object, notre, votre, leur. So nous aimons notre école. And when we have many owners, many objects, nos voleurs. For example, here we have vous préparez vos bagages. Vos bagages. Parce que vous, many owners, bagages, et with S, many objects. The next one, ils attendent leurs amis, leurs with S. Because we have many owners, many objects. Is it clear now?
oui, madame.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, just to write in your notebook the owners and the object, because what I was doing when I was younger and I was learning French, I was writing it this way. It was the easiest way to remember the owners and the objects. So, Dr. Matfi, do you have time or?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
we will continue, Srimada, tomorrow.
Okay. Oh, tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah. Ma'am,
Okay,
today is a holy festival, like
oh,
holy colorful festival of India. But still, like we are quite absolutely. I don't know about them, but we are truly sincere about their TF exams, that how they're preparing or not. Because sometimes they send the homework, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they be regular, sometimes they take up, they get absent. But what to do? We are teachers. we have to show our dedication, though it's holy, but still
Okay.
we are trying our best that
Okay.
they
Okay.
should attend the class every other day and get ready for the
Just to
you know,
practice, to
the
study
exams.
the material, because I will send also the material for today, the new dialogue, the new vocabulary to Dr. Matvi. Dr. Matvi will share this material
Yeah,
with
ma'am, we
you.
are forwarding everything. Everything we're
Okay,
forwarding.
so you just study the material, and if you practice, what I want from you, and I'm repeating again, that in next sessions, I won't give you the dialogues. You need to approximately to improvise and create your own dialogues between you two. Because
Okay,
in the
ma'am.
exams, you won't have a template, ready dialogue. You need to improvise to learn some exams. Combien ça coûte? Je voudrais commander, s'il vous plaît. Je voudrais acheter un livre. Expressions like this. So in next sessions, I won't give you the dialogue. So if you want to introduce yourself, d'où viens-tu? Quelles sont vos qualités? Quels sont vos points forts? Okay, this is
Okay,
what I
madam.
need from you. Focus on this also for the oral expression, for the exams.
Hey, my dear
Okay.
shining stars, oui, madame.
Oui, madame.
Merci
Oui,
infiniment,
madame.
chère
Oui, madame.
Alors,
madame.
Madame.
merci.
Oui, madame, merci.
We are
Merci à
ready to.
Oui,
tous.
madame. Oui, madame.
Merci beaucoup, madame. Merci beaucoup, oui, madame.
Yeah.
Merci
Merci
infiniment.
infiniment, chère madame. Yeah, Deepti ma'am, over to you. I forgot. Okay, yeah.
Merci beaucoup, madame. As the Global Operation Coordinator of ESC Institute, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to respected Dr. Rania Lampo, ma'am, for her exceptional guidance and steadfast support and inspiring mentorship. Your belief in our potential and commitment is excellence has made our examination journey truly meaningful and empowering. We deeply appreciate your invaluable contribution and lasting impact you have created. Au revoir.
Au revoir. Merci à tous pour votre attention et votre participation active. Continuez à pratiquer à la maison et n'hésitez pas à revoir le dialogue pour les exercices. So, bon courage, bonne journée et à bientôt pour notre prochaine leçon de français.
Au revoir, à
Demain,
bientôt.
Au
chère
revoir, au
madame.
revoir, au revoir.
Merci beaucoup.
Ashanti, madame.